Hello and welcome back to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation to explore our hand chakras and help determine which crystals can help you bring balance and health to your hand chakras if you feel like that's needed. For those who've been following along on the chakras and crystal healing journey, this is our final video. This is video number 20. And for those who haven't watched the other videos before and you're curious about all of the other videos, I'll link to the full playlist above. And it starts with Intro to Chakras and Crystal Healing. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist. And I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your daily life. And this extensive 20 video series is meant to help you explore your entire chakra system from foot chakra all the way up to your hand chakras, determine which ones need your attention and which crystals and gemstones can help support you best. So there are a couple of things that I recommend before we get started in the guided meditation today. If you have not watched the video, Hand Chakras and Crystal Healing, I will link to that in the eye above, and you may want to pause this video and go watch that one so that you can hear all about the domain of the hand chakras and what a balanced, blocked, and overactive hand chakras feel like, so that you can get a sense of this before we sit in the guided meditation today. I also recommend having a journal nearby so that you can record anything that arises for you during the guided meditations and the other videos. And this could be physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, or situations that feel really comfortable or trigger you. Anything that stands out, write that down in your journal. And this will form a map of your chakra health as you work through all of the videos. Then we do have a private Facebook group in which you can ask questions about the chakra healing, about the videos, or to share your experiences with others. And the link to that is in the description below. Now, two more things. If you do have a clear gemstone that you'd like to use during the meditation today, then you should go get that and have that nearby. And then finally, you'll need a comfortable seat. So that can be on a cushion on the floor, in a chair, or outside directly on the ground. Whatever feels most comfortable for you so that you can stay alert and pain-free for about 10 minutes as we go through this guided meditation. And so if you have your comfortable seat and your gemstone and you're ready to get started, then let's begin. So I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. Bring your awareness to your breath and how it feels to breathe right now. By focusing on your breath, you're bringing yourself to your body and to your present moment. And bring your awareness to your body and your heart and your mind and notice what's going on with them right now. We're not trying to fix or change anything. We're just observing to see what's going on with us right now. And bringing your awareness to those parts of your body that touch your cushion or your chair beneath you, and remembering that you are connected with the entire earth, that you're sitting right above the center of the earth and you're supported by the entire mass of the earth, and you have access to all of its energy, and it will support you and protect you during this guided meditation today. Now, if you have your clear gemstone, then you should pick that up and place that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the energy of the gemstone during this practice today. And if you don't have a clear gemstone with you, you can picture one in your mind. And sit with your gemstone for a minute and see how that feels. And then imagine a swirling energy in the palms of your hands. And like there's a clock placed over each palm, imagine the energy swirling in a clockwise direction, like a hurricane. And just imagine what that flow looks like. And without overthinking or trying to make anything a certain way, just imagine the speed of the flow, the strength of the flow, how open the eye of that swirling energy is, and just notice it. How fast is the flow? How big is the swirl? What's the size of the opening? Take note of that so you can write it down later. And then consider the following questions and how they relate to your hand chakra health. Do you feel comfortable touching or being touched by others? Or does this make you feel really uncomfortable and you avoid touch? Or is it comfortable to you? Are you able to perform energy healing practices? Or does it feel inaccessible and difficult, like hard to do? And if you haven't experimented with an energy healing practice, does it feel like something you'd like to do? Can you expand your energy beyond your body? Or do you feel maybe stuck or bound by your physical body? Do you feel a connection to humanity in general? Do you feel a part of it? Either emotionally, empathetically, or shared experiences? Or do you feel distant and disconnected? All of these situations are within the realm of the hand chakras. So then release the image of the swirling energy and those life situations and just come back to your breathing, come back to your breath. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today to sit with this guided meditation and exploration of the hand chakras. And these are shorter, brief meditations to just help you get a feel for what comes up when you sit with the hand chakra energy. And this is a good time right now to get your journal and to write down anything that rose up for you during this guided meditation, any of the scenarios or physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, or the image of the swirling energy. This is a good time to take notes about all of that. And then to go back, if you feel like you want to explore and work with the hand chakras some more, to go back to the hand chakras and crystal healing video and figure out which gemstones might help support you to bring health back to your hand chakras. So if you're new to this channel and you're interested in exploring crystal healing and how it can help you in your everyday life, then I talk about a new gemstone every single week. On Wednesdays, I post an informational video about the supportive and healing benefits of a gemstone, and on Fridays, I post a guided meditation with that gemstone. And I also have crystal healing jewelry and tumbled gemstones available in my online crystal healing store, and the link to that is in the description below. So if you're looking for crystals and gemstones to help support hand chakra healing, then check out the link below so that you can see the entire selection, and make sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much for joining me on this chakra healing journey, and I hope to see you again next week. Thank you.